Hello everyone, my name is Deepali Bhosle and today's date is the 20th July and the topic is what is exception handling in a Java, what are the types of exception handling in a Java, what are the advantages of an exception handling, then what is the difference between exception, check exception and uncheck exception, what is try and catch block and what is the throw exception. Let's see in one by one in details. First of all, we see the what is exception handling in a Java. Exception handling, it is a mechanism to handle the runtime errors such as class not found error, such as class not found exception, IO exceptions means SQL exception, that is input output exception. The exception in a exception handling in a Java, it is the one of the powerful mechanism to handle the runtime errors, and the main advantages, the main features of an exception handling is to maintain the normal flow of an application. The dictionary meaning of an exception handling is it's nothing but the abnormal condition. Let's see what is the advantages of an exception handling. Exception handling, it is the most important advantages of an exception handling to maintain the normal flow of an program, to maintain the normal flow of an application. Let's see the examples to how to handle the exceptions in a Java. Suppose we have the 10 statements in our program. An exception occurs at the statement number 6. Then the remaining statements 7, 8, 9, 10, these all statements are not executed because the exception occur in a statement number 6. If we use the exception handling in a program so that we can execute the remaining statements, that is the statement number 7, 8, 9 and 10. By using exception we can perform this statement, by using exception we can execute these statements line by line. There are what is the hierarchy of an exception handling in a Java? Let's see the one by one. The throwable class is having the exceptions and errors. What are the exceptions in a Java? That is, first exception is an IO exception, then second exception is an, let's see what are the exceptions in a Java. That is, first exception is the IO exception, then second exception is an SQL exception, third one is the class not found exception, and fourth one is the runtime exception in a Java. In runtime we having the exceptions like class not null pointer exception, arithmetic exceptions, string out of bound exception. Let's see what are the errors in an exception handling in a Java. The errors are there are 3 errors in exception handling in a Java. That is stack overflow error, virtual machine error and out of memory error. These three errors are used in a exception handling in a Java. Let's see what are the types of exception in a Java. First is the built-in exception, and second type is the user defined exceptions. In built-in exception we having the 2 categories, that is check exceptions and second one is the uncheck exception. Let's see in details what is the built-in exception in a exception handling. The built-in exception in a exception handling is the libraries which are already defined in a Java. It's called as an built-in exceptions. There are 2 exceptions, there are 2 ways to categorize the built-in exceptions, that is the check exceptions and the uncheck exceptions. Let's see in detail what is check exception in a exception handling. Check exception is also called as an compile time exceptions because these exceptions are checked at an compile time by the compiler. Using compiler we can check this exception in a compile time, so that the compiler is easy to check the exception easy to check the exception in a compile time. By using the compiler will check whether the programmer is handled to handle the exception or not, but the programmer should have to handle this exception, otherwise the system will shows an compilation error. This is all about the check exception in a exception handling. Second type is an unchecked exceptions in a exception handling in a Java. The unchecked exceptions are just like opposite to unchecked exception, because in unchecked exception the exceptions are not checked by the compile time to the compiler. That's why it's not that's why it is opposite as an check exception. This is all about the exception handling in a Java. Thank you.